Hello, my name is Megan. Today we're going to be replacing your door hinge on your Whirlpool dryer. You may need to replace these if it's bent or broken. For this repair, you'll need a putty knife, a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a 5/16 nut driver. Before working on any appliance, please disconnect your power source. First thing we're going to do is take out the lint filter. We're going to unscrew these two screws here with your Phillips head screwdriver. Next thing you're going to do, we're going to pop up the lid. If you cannot just pop it up by your hands, you can use a putty knife and just place underneath and give it a good pop. We're going to unhook the door switch, just pop it on off. Then we're just going to take our 5/16 nut driver and unscrew it. Now we're going to go to the other side and unscrew it. Now we're just going to lift up. Drum's going to move a little bit. It's going to come off the front panel. Now we're going to take up the door spring. After we remove the spring, we're going to flip it over and open the new door. We're going to take out these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. With a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to somewhat close the door to lift up so I can get it off the hinge. We'll remove it. We're going to unscrew these 2 screws here on our left hinge. Now we're going to lift up the frame, and it'll either slide out just like that, or you may need to wiggle it on through. We're going to grab our new OEM hinge. If you do not already have one, you can purchase one on our website. Then we're going to feed it on through. I'm just going to line it up. I'm just going to start the screws by hand. Now we're going to grab the door, and as you see here, the hinge is going to slide right into this slot. We're just going to put it on over it, tuck it in, lift up. Now we're going to reattach both hinges to the door. Now you can close your door. Flip this around. And then you can place the springs back on. Now we're going to grab the door. Just going to reattach the switch. Just going to screw this in. Now we're just going to close down the top. Make sure it's down. Now we're going to take the 2 screws. Now we're just going to replace our lint filter. And once you've done that, your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our online store. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.